Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Do you want to share updates with your followers in a fun way? Creating a broadcast channel on Instagram lets you send messages directly to your audience. Now, in this update of Instagram and the latest updates, you can't create a broadcast channel, but you can create a group chat that works like a broadcast channel. So here's how to create a group chat that works like a broadcast channel. The first step is to open the Instagram app. So just go to your phone and then open the Instagram app on your tablet or phone or iOS. After that, tap the messenger icon in the top right corner of your screen, or in my case, as I'm using a tablet, it's in the middle left, right here, and then tap on the pen right here on the top left corner, top right corner, and then click on create a group chat. Since the option to create a broadcast channel isn't available, we're gonna create a group chat. After that, invite followers to join. Once the group chat is live, Instagram will notify your followers, or you can share the invite link via stories or DMs, or share it in the group. And for the fourth and final steps, post updates. Use text, images, or even voices and notes to keep your followers engaged. For additional tips, set clear expectations for your audience about what you'll share, and use polls or questions to make the channel interactive. Be consistent to keep followers engaged. And that's it for today's tutorial. That's how you make a broadcast channel on Instagram. Now, you can't make a broadcast channel, but you can make a group chat that works like a broadcast channel. If you like this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.